Muikariri giti wa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC Wafula Chebukati athiete na mbere na kuorotwo na kuigirirwo murigo munene wa mathina na githagathago kiria gikoretwo kigomeire kamiti iyo na gucungiriria murugamiriri munene Ezra Chiloba gutigithio wira na thiini wa gikaro gia kamiti ya bunge igi mathabu miaraho ya umuthi Makamicina atatu aria ni Nkatha, Margaret Mwachanya na Paul Kurgat na aria matigire wira mweri-ini wa kana makuruhania Chebukati na mathina ma IEBC.
The documents, financial documents and all the processes of procurement are held elsewhere. They were held elsewhere, not with me. So if somebody wanted to do audit, we did Auditor General, be it chairman, he had all the powers and he did it.
Gikaro giki kiria giukite thutha wa Chiloba gwikinya mbere ya kamiti iyo kiumia githiru nikirehire urugari muingi ma amemba a kamiti iyo magitongorio ni muikariri giti Opio Wandanyi makienda kumenya kana Makamicina aya matigire wira ari njira ya gutetera Chiloba ta uria Chebukati arigite kuga na kana ni mari na matanya o mothe ma kuguneka na kandarathi citiganite.
But you don't have even a copy of your resignation letter and we don't know the contents, and now you are telling us the stories which we are not able to verify.
A copy, honorable member, of my resignation letter, I would, but it is in Eldoret. And
a soft copy?
A signed one. I would want to give you the signed one.
Mweri-ini wa kanana Makamicina aya ni merigite guthie wabici-ini cia IEBC na kuga macokio wira undu uria watumurire ndereti ya kana kandarathi yao ni athirire riria manereire gutiga wira gukirikana ati ona President Uhuru Kenyatta ndaheanire murugamo wake wigie ikinya riao ta uria mutaratara ubatie na gukiri uguo kamiti ino yenjira kana ni matigire wira kuna.
Things are going, maybe it's like my advice was no longer being felt in the plenary, or rather in the commission, meaning that remaining there is as good as also I'm not there.
Okay.
Chiloba akoretwo akirikana ati ni aheanire kandarathi itiganite hatari kurumirira mawatho na mitaratara guku riboti ya mutari wa mathabu ikionania uhotekeku wa mamilioni maingi ma mbeca gukorwo ni ciungumirio kandarathi-ini ici mwena ungi nakuo gukigia nganja ya utongoria wa Chebukati kuona ni rigite kuhithuria ati makiria ma kandarathi gana rimwe ciaheanirwo atekumenya na riu murugamo mweru wa aria mari Makamicina ukionania IEBC gukorwo eigirite muthako-ini wa kwihithanira. Kiribotera mutaburuko wa mohoro ma Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Ngujiri.